Hi everyone. So I wanted to share with you today these cute little tomatoes that I am growing, and I'll tell you my intention of why I'm growing it in just a second. But I figured I'd make this video because I actually started these inside and they've been under grow lights, but today I am giving them a fish and seaweed fertilizer with not very is really like half the strength, probably a fourth the strength. When they're small like this, I don't go full strength on fertilizing until they get a little bit bigger, but this is just to keep them strong. I haven't started hardening these off yet because I've looked at the temps over the next few days and we're going to get down in the 50s, so I will leave these inside until the weather, the nighttime temps warm up just a little bit. And this is actually, I always tell people when it's close to Easter, we normally get one more cold snap, and so that's what I feel this is, because we've been having lows like 67, 70, and the highs have been in the 80s and the 90s. But let me show you these little they're called orange hat tomatoes. Let me show you them because I ordered them from Baker Creek Seed. Okay, so these are orange hat tomatoes by Baker Creek, and I just thought these were so cute, and my creative wheels and juices just got to flowing. So what I wanted to do for some of my family and friends, because when I talk a lot on the phone, like to my sister, like they'll ask little gardening questions, but they always say no, you know, that's too much, it's not for me, I don't want nothing with too much work. So my intentions were to get these little pots and just give some of my family members and friends these little orange hat tomatoes, just to like grow. You could put them outside on the patio, but they are manageable. And I wanted them, and I was going to coach them and guide them about, you know, how to fertilize, when to fertilize, make sure you are, you know, watering deep. But what I wanted them to experience was the process. And then once they got the tomatoes, once they ate it and taste it and taste the freshness, just to kind of jolt them. I'm not saying they have to become full-time gardeners or anything, but I just wanted to do something like that just to let them see and kind of change their mindset that gardening is not hard. Now, initially when you're learning, yeah, you can get a little bit frustrated, but you take those experiences and you learn from them. So this is what we're growing here. Again, I'm going to let them stay inside probably for another week. We're going to harden them off, and then I'm going to find some cute pots. I'm going to shop my home again, because I remember years ago, and I'm trying to see if I have some around here. Oh yeah, let me show you real quick, and then I'm ending the video, y'all. So this is just for me to show you. Years ago, not a long time, maybe like 2 years ago, I'm always on the lookout for clearance, and a lot of times my husband says he doesn't care if they're giving it away for free. If you don't need it, don't buy it. But I don't know, I've always been like a giver, and I'm thinking, oh, I could do something with these. But make a long story short, these pots like this, I found them for $1 on clearance, and we have different colors. We have this color, like a orange color, and a like a aqua color. And once I start planting them up in individual pots, I'll show you all. But these tomatoes right here, they only get about, I just saw it, 6 to 9 inches tall. So I just thought, would these not be so perfect to give to family and friends in this pot, and just watch it grow and change your mindset, and just kind of, that may, for some of my family members, they may be like, that's good right there, that was nice. But other family members, it may get them to want to grow something a little bit more, because at the end of the day, it's great to grow your own food and to know how to grow it. And flowers too, because they play an important part in the garden. So again, y'all, I just wanted to make a quick video of what my intentions were for my family and friends. But I just thought that this was so cute. I'm telling you, pictures on the internet, they get me every single time. But this is it right here. They're growing, and they're growing very good. And I actually can read this still. We started these on March 24th, and they've grown really cute so far. So once I harden them off and bring them outside, I'm gonna pot each one up in one of these pots. I should have 12. I don't know, but if not, shop in my home again. I may have to put one like in a cup or something. I have some extra cups like that over there that I saved when I bought my mom's in the fall. That's where the extra pepper plants are. And so, yeah, but I just thought I would share this with you all and share with you some things that you may can try with your family members and friends. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.